Please, floor is yours.
Hello, I hope you can hear us well. Yes?
Yes.
Very good. So we will start our short presentation.
Hello.
So we will present you. Oh, we should tell something about ourselves. So my name is Marius Sadauskas, and this is Danute Pranckute. We are from Vytautas Magnus University, of course, and we would like to present you Moodle solution integration for the traditional university. In our case, we will present Vytautas Magnus University case, of course. And at first, this is very short information about our university. So Vytautas Magnus University actually was named by the Grand Duke of Lithuania, who ruled in 15th century, and he was a very famous guy, we can say this. And even the kids which are born in Lithuania, they are named by Vytautas name, even in these times, you know.
After 500 years.
After 500 years, this name is one of the most popular names. And this is the short timeline of our university. As you can see, our university was renamed to Vytautas Magnus University in 1930, and we have been reestablished in 1989. Some facts about our university. So we have 10 faculties: arts, Catholical, economics, humanities, informatics, political science, social science, music academy, even the music academy, law, and some other faculties, and a lot of institutes, centers, and other departments. In our university, we have approximately about 7,000 students for bachelor and master degree. We have more than 300 PhD students, and more than 24,000 students graduates our university since our re-establishment in 1989. In our university, we have 67 bachelor programs, 76 master degree programs. Some of them, as you can see, are in English language. And in our university, we are very multilingual, let's say. Students can learn more than 30 or even more languages. And we have a lot of scientific fields for the PhD students. And we are very active in Erasmus project, in Erasmus Mobility Exchange. We have a lot of students coming to Lithuania to study in our university. And of course, we send a lot of students to other European universities to study there for a semester or for a longer time. And of course, me and Danute, we are from Innovative Study Institute, which is of course a department of our university. So Innovative Study Institute was established in 2000, and it was named by Distance Study Center. And in 2012, we have been reorganized to Innovative Study Institute. So our goal is basically to develop distance studies in our university, and some objective of our institute is to promote online studies, to develop teacher competence, to train teachers to design distance studies, to promote social and professional collaboration, to perform research in distance studies, and to participate in various projects which somehow research the online and distance studies. So now is the more interesting thing for the technical people, let's say. So what we are administrating. So in our university, actually, we have only one Moodle instance, only one Moodle installation, which uses all the faculties, all departments in our university, because we have been in other universities for staff training visits. So we have experienced that some universities, for example, have different Moodle systems for different faculties or something like that. So we are having only one Moodle system, and we are administrators of it, and we are responsible for it.
But, sorry, Marius, all information what you can see before the slides, it's everything in Moodle. All students, all courses is in Moodle.
Yes. And of course, we are administrating the video conferencing solutions. So we have Adobe Connect for the desktop video conferencing, same as we are using now. And we have some Cisco equipment, which has auditorium video conferences. I think we have 5 or 6 auditorium conferencing rooms in different buildings, so teacher and students can go there and have the meetings by the different faculties, different countries, you know. Of course, we are administrating the online support system for students and teachers, and we have the survey tool, which is the Lime survey. It's a free open source software. So, short introduction or historical view of our timetable of our Moodle, how we went from the beginning till nowadays. So, in 2004 and 2010, we have been using Blackboard. I even didn't work in the university at that time, so I didn't know this system. And in 2009, we started to migrate from Blackboard to the Moodle system because of the reasons. And in 2011, I started to work here in the university, and from that time, we updated our Moodle version to 1.9. And then every year, as you can see, we constantly updated our Moodle version. We have few designs created in this timeline. As you can see, in 2012, we have design created. Of course, it wasn't responsive. It was good on the computers, but not very good on the mobile phones. And last year, we had the new mobile-friendly design, which was responsive and much more, let's say, newer one. So this is how our Moodle login window looked before. So not a responsive design, and this one was a responsive one. And some information about current situation. Current situation, we are using 3.1 Moodle. We still haven't updated yet. We will do this in the July or in the August. Usually we do this in July. We use the first class system for the user authentication because in our university the first class system is
20 years old.
About 20 years old, yeah. So we don't want to change something, so we are stick to this system. And actually, this year our IT team programmed some additional plugins, not a plugins, but the solution, the web service, the solution for the user enrollment synchronization from the Vytautas Magnus University student information system. So all students which are in this system, they are automatically enrolled to the particular course in the Moodle system, or unenrolled or enrolled, yes. And same with the teachers. And our Moodle system is fully translated into 2 languages, in Lithuanian and English. Of course, it's, let's say, the interface is translated, and for the content, so the course categories, titles, and descriptions are translated. And
as you can see before, we have a lot of Erasmus students, so we need these 2 languages.
Yeah, because some students come to the university and they don't know Lithuanian, so it's good for them to know the English language. This is how the first page looks of our Moodle system. So as you can see, when students log in, he sees his courses in which he is enrolled, and he can access it. This is some nice facts about the course growth, let's say. As you can see, from 2009, 8 to 2011, we haven't been very active. From 4 courses, we went only to 96 courses.
It was free opportunity for teachers
yes.
to use Moodle system.
It was not a mandatory thing to have the Moodle course in the Moodle system. And from 2012, there was a thing in the rectorate, and there was a, let's say, mandatory thing to have. If you are teaching in the university, if you have the course, so it must be in the Moodle. All the slides which you present in the classroom should be uploaded to the Moodle system. So as you can see, we had very huge jump from 2012 to 13. During 1 year, we had almost growth of 1,000 courses, and then about 600 or 500 courses, and so on. And for now, we have about 200 and 2,300 courses. We have 7,000 students, 700 teachers, and about 85 or 90% of all courses which are taught in the university is already in the Moodle system.
We will never have 100% courses in Moodle system because we have a lot of practices courses. So.
Practices, or for example, the Music Academy, which they have practical courses and there is no slides or something like that. Yeah. So these courses won't be in the Moodle in any case. This is some statistics. As we can see that the Monday is the peak day, so everyone tries to log into the Moodle on the Monday, and Saturday is the lowest day of the week, so students are getting lazy and they are not connecting to the Moodle system during the weekend. Here is some interesting statistics on the Moodle usage. We just take, the random month, so it was statistics from February 20 to March 20. As you can see, during 1 month, we have more than 1 million page views. We have almost 170,000 sessions, and average session time was 6 minutes. And as you can see, during one session, students opened more than 6 pages. So this shows us that they actually log into the Moodle. They open the courses. They try to search for the content, for the grades maybe, or something like that. And here at the bottom you can see the small numbers. I don't know if you can see them well, but it's quite interesting fact that in 2007, as you can see, almost 1/3 of the users which came to the Moodle actually was using the mobile phones or mobile devices, let's say. So 70% of the students used the desktop solution, and 30% was using mobile solutions. So this actually shows us that more and more students are using mobiles to log into the Moodle system, because we have been searching this, Google Analytics data from 2014 or 15, something like that. So like 2 years or 3 years ago, for the mobile devices connection, there was like 15 or 12%, and now after a few years we have 30% of the mobile connection. So this shows us that students, they're using mobile phones, and our design is responsive, which is very good for them to learn and to see the content. And we have more than 130 countries visited our Moodle system. So again, this shows us that students are going abroad for work, for study, or for, let's say, for the holidays. And the most popular countries is United Kingdom, United States, Germany, Norwegia, and Sweden.
Our university is arte liberales university, so it means that you don't have to go to your lectures. You can use just a virtual enrollment, learning this content, and just come here to the exam.
Yeah, to midterm exam or to final exam. Yeah, you can skip some lessons.
Yes.
Infrastructure very quickly, because I see what we don't have a lot of time. So we use VMware solution for the virtualization. We use data storages in different locations in our university buildings. For the web servers, we're using the Linux Debian operating system, and particularly our Moodle web server is running on Linux Debian. We chosen to use the MySQL database engine, and for the CPU we use a server with 8 CPUs at 2.6 GHz. We use 16 GB of RAM and 2 TB of space. All this space, all these CPUs and RAMs are allocated only to our VMU Moodle system. So on that virtual machine there is no other Moodle systems or websites or something like that. It's only dedicated to our Moodle system. And the backup solution, what we chosen to use, so we use standard Moodle automatic backups solution, and we create them every week, and we have 5 weekly updates which are stored in our Moodle data. which is quite good because if the teacher, let's say, deletes something and he writes to us, so we can access to these backups more easily and just click one button and restore it to 1 week or 2 weeks before. An interesting thing that we have so much more than 2,000 courses, so weekly update actually takes about one full day. It's 22 hours to complete the full backup of weekly backup. And the Moodle data is stored in storage system, and backups are made nightly, incremental backups. And for now, VMU Moodle data uses more than 500 gigabytes of space.
Yeah, and we should mention that we do not allow to upload the Moodle video lectures. Yeah. It's a
we have file limit. Yeah, yes. File limit is up to 10 megabytes, so there is no like a huge gigabyte movies uploaded to the Moodle, yeah, or something like that. And this is one of the support system for the teachers. So if teacher would like to have the new course in the Moodle, so he chooses the request course menu item from the Moodle system. He fills in the form, and we confirm it or decline it. We have the website with the support system for the teachers. He can ask questions, he can find the user manuals, all the documents and regulations about online studies, on all the information about virtual mobility, open educational resources, and other useful information. And this is the support system for the students, so just information how he can change his password, or if he forgot his password or he cannot log into the Moodle, where he should go, to whom he should write the email or call. And this is the same support system for the student to ask a question, and some Moodle activity tools.
Some statistics, you know, of course, like other Moodle platform, we have the same situation. The most popular activities tools is assignment, forum, and quiz. But we have a lot of other activities tools, and we always use some external plugins like activity modelers, group choice, mind map, subpage, lightbox gallery. We have a lot of blogs like completion progress, course contact, statistic, week mails. We like to use question types, different question types, like a drag and drop matching, spreadsheet. We use various for math.
Formulating, for creating a formulas for the math.
Yes.
Yeah.
Our university is very creativity. So we have a lot of course formats. They can use one topic, collapse topic, grid, columns, button formats. We have some local plugins like Event Reminder. We need to remind our students that they left 1 or 3 days before some homework. We have Bull Course Reset, which was from our Greece partner.
Yeah, from Hellenic Open University. They shared this plugin, so we click only one button and all the courses are reset.
Yes, it's very nice. And of course, we use availability restriction by language because we have a lot of Erasmus students. So some courses are using restricted access, which language the content will be shown.
Yeah. And about the course format, as you say, I would like to add more that as we have been traveling in some other universities, so we saw that, for example, for each course they use a template. So they use the same structure of the course or the same blocks and all the structure, and this is like a template, and teacher cannot change it, you know. And in our university, as we are artes liberales, we like creativity. So we let teachers to use, even if you want to choose the topic format or one topic format or grid format, it depends on the teacher. And if he needs help, so he can come to our trainings, which we make like 2 or 3 times in the year, or he can come, or he or she can come to us for the personal training, you know. So we, let's say, yeah, we are very creative, and we encourage teachers to have nice and you know, not the template look courses. Yeah. So basically, this is all what we wanted to present to you, and we are waiting for your questions.
Thank you. Thank